My name's Jan Radu. Thanks for joining me today. I'm bringing to you an alternative card idea using the Love Santa kit. I did share that kit recently on my channel, and I'll just link on the screen to that video if you haven't seen that one. But the kit, although it's designed to make tags, really lends itself to some really cute card ideas, and I thought I would bring one of those to you today. So I've started with a base of Night of Navy, and then I've cut a card front of Just Jade. And here are the treat bags that come in the Love Santa collection, and they're designed to be used with the kit. And I'm using them as a background rather than as a bag. Absolutely love this spotty design. So I've just slipped my card front into the bag, and now I'm just trimming the back of it down just so that it's not as bulky when I put it onto my card front. I'll have all the measurements for this project in the description, so don't worry about taking anything down now. You can just look in the description after the video and note down all of the card sizes for you there. So I've trimmed the excess off, and I'm just using some Stamp and Seal to stick those flaps down. And it's really quite nice to use. It's a bit of a matte sheen on it. Really cute treat bags, and as you can see, that spans the entire height of my card, and just leaves a little border on each side. So you can see the Night of Navy popping out on each side there. So once my card front is down nice and flat, I'm just having an idea with one of the tags from that Love Santa kit that I'd already put together, just to see how that fits. So I'm going to put another one of those tags together for the front of my card front. I am just trimming off the little tag section at the top, and I will just mount that car design, that very cute car, with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm just going to center that on my card front. All of the artwork is really sweet in this kit, and all the work is done for you. As you can see, this card's coming together really quickly. So I'm just using one of the sentiments that come in the stamp set that's included in the kit, and just pulling some of the labels together, just having a bit of an idea of what I might put together. I haven't quite decided how to put the sentiment onto the card yet, but I think I'll just go with this white label here. So we've got special delivery, and then I'm just going and grabbing one of the coordinating little tag sections, or banners maybe they could be called, from the kit, and I'm just going to pop that a little bit of Tombow on the top of that just to attach to my sentiment. A little bit of Tombow goes a long way, but so you can just put a few little dots, and I'm just leaving a really narrow little border on the bottom of my sentiment there, and just trimming off any excess with my scissors on either side. And just trying to figure out where the best place to put that, and I thought perched at the bottom a bit like a license plate was quite cute, so I've just used a little bit of Stampin' Dimensional to mount that one as well. So once I've popped that sentiment down, I'm just lining up my card on the grid paper so that I can try and get that as straight as possible. Pulling in some of the adhesive gems that come in the kit, and I'm just going to pop a couple of those around for a little bit of extra bling. And now I'm just going to bring in my paper trimmer and just trim a piece of our basic white cardstock for the inside of my card. And I thought I would just use one of the other images in the stamp set, which is this cute little present, and I'm just inking that up in the Night of Navy ink spot that also comes in the kit, and I'm just staggering the presents on a bit of a diagonal line inside. I just thought that was a nice way to finish off the inside of the card, and just popping that down with a little bit of Tombow and centering that inside, and that's just a really nice finished look to the inside of the card. So I hope you liked my project today, my alternate card for my tag kit. And if you'd like to know any more about this Love Santa kit, just leave me a comment or have a look down in the description of the video. Thanks very much for watching.